come to the Lucy Bee warehouse with me and pack a order which is going to the USA. So we use UPS track delivery service to the USA, and once a customer orders, it takes 3 days to get to them. We also offer over $60 free delivery as well. So this customer has ordered the face wash, the tan mousse and mitt, the vitamin C serum and the Oh So Natural soap. I'm just making up the box now, as you can see, and I'm just ticking off the products to make sure it's all there and signing it with my name. So these are the boxes, and we use the most sustainable materials we can to keep the products secure while they're being sent to you. We're going to print the label off, put the products away, and as you may already be aware or may not, but all of our products are 100% palm oil free and its derivatives. We use natural and organic ingredients. We're certified by Soil Association, Cruelty Free, Vegan Society, and we use results driven ingredients. Made in the UK. We hope you love your products. Bye!